And I'm basically using Live for around 10 years now. So when it came out, it was, I think, version 1.5 or version 2. Today we have version 8, which came out in 2009. I basically discovered accidentally this program, and at that moment I fell in love. So I'm using it constantly. I've been through all versions, and I can tell you that these guys at Ableton, so this is German company, is developing this application really, really fast. Okay, and also it is gaining in popularity by the day. All right, so what I wanted to do today, I didn't have intention to cover the basics of it. Okay, so what is the principle, to discover different windows, to discover the preferences of it, and so on. I really wanted to show you a couple of tricks, what you can do with Ableton, and the things that are basically not written in the manual. All right? But since some of you don't have the experiences with Live, I suggest that we quickly go to all those modules or all windows and so on, and then we switch further on to more advanced things. So you tell me what to do. I'm here because of you. All right? One at a time. So, should we go quickly through complete Live and then let's skip? Or look, we can go through basics, we can discuss the basics, what it is, how it looks, how it behaves, how it communicates with external devices and so on. Or we can play and mess around a bit.
We can go just for the primary basics.
Okay, alright. So let's do like this. Or let's open basically the project. Like this. So this application was developed because I don't know if someone familiar with the band Mono Lake for Germany. Okay, so Mono Lake, not important. Two guys from Germany. They have really advanced live performing, so dubbish electronic music style, and they needed something. They needed an additional tool for performing, and they actually programmed Live. This wasn't the commercial release immediately. They programmed Live in order to use it on stage. All right, and then basically Live gained in popularity. So for that reason, they decided, yes, we will establish the company, we will sell it. Okay. So the thing is, we can immediately see it is not like other programs where you have, for example, mix window and all other windows, I don't know, piano rolls and so on separately. Everything you see is basically present here. So that's it. Those are the windows that are used within Ableton Live. And why we have everything on single screen? Because primarily it was used for live performance. So you have everything available on the fly. So you can open this browser, you can open this browser, you can open this browser, and so on. So sample browser. So everything is present on a single screen. Everything is visible at any moment. All right? So what is happening? Look, we have two main views. This first view, so when you will open brand new project, this view will appear immediately. So this is known as a session view. Additionally, if we go above here, or simply if you click Tab key, we have the arrangement view. Okay? So Tab back for switching, or simply clicking those two buttons. So what is happening? Look, the basic musical blocks within Ableton Live are known as a clips. So this is a clip. So let me, I will solo one. So, simple clip. It can be audio based, it can be MIDI based. So it supports both audio and MIDI. These are the building blocks, and here on the side we have something that is known as a scene. Okay, so we have a number of different tracks which are, for example, in the same scene. So if I will launch this scene, these are all the play buttons, basically, not just like this one on transport, but also those are the play buttons. So if I will hit play, and I will unsolo it. All clips with all tracks that are captured by the same scene will play at that moment. Okay? And here we can actually immediately set the structure of our song, so of our arrangement. Also, most of the time when you will perform live on stage or so on, you will use this session window. Arrangement window, you can see it is empty because only clips from the session you are currently playing. What is happening? Here, within the arrangement window, you will create the arrangement. This simply means that you can use live also as a studio tool, not only as a performance tool. Okay? Am I too fast, too slow maybe? Everything clear so far?
Yes.
Right. So, different scenes and different structure of a song. Okay? And so on, and so on, and so on. What can I do, for example? If I click record button here, like this, and I will launch a certain scene, this will be recorded into the session view. Like this. Okay, I stop it with space bar, normal through all applications, play and stop goes with the space. So, what do I have? Basically, those clips are recorded into the arrangement view. Additionally, what I can do, I can click and hold, so to drag a clip to some other destination. Look, we can do everything in real time. This is the beauty of live. So if something is playing, I can move this or stop only this one and go further on or override this one and so on. So everything is happening in real time. I can launch different clips as I want. It is not only related to scenes. Okay, so you can mess around totally in real time. And this is what is happening basically when DJ or artist or a band, really not important, is performing live on stage. He's actually combining different clips or already predefined scenes to create a composition. Alright, so what else can be done? I can hold certain clip and drag it over this button here. And that way I can drag this clip into the actual arrangement view. So click it, release it, move it, and so on. And at that moment, this is part of the arrangement. Okay? One thing, look. Let's record multiple clips once again. So like this. Something like this, for example, okay? Okay, I will stop it. What is happening? The session view has the priority prior to the arrangement view, meaning if I have something, look, if I will enable or play this scene once again, we will see that this arrangement view is grayed out. Okay, and for that reason we have here the button which is known as back to the arrangement. What this means, again, since session view has the priority, at any time we can click it and now the arrangement will play.